Tired of spending hours cleaning your home with a cabinet full of harsh chemicals? What if I told you that you could get your home sparkling clean in just 15 minutes, using only sustainable natural products? It's totally possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Welcome to my 15-minute sustainable cleaning routine. First things first, let's talk about our tools. Forget single-use wipes and a dozen different plastic bottles. All you really need are a few high-quality reusable cloths and a simple, all-purpose natural cleaner. My secret weapon is a DIY mix of water, white vinegar, and a few drops of lemon essential oil. It's effective, smells amazing, and costs next to nothing to make. I just pour it into a reusable glass spray bottle and I'm ready to go. Alright, let's start the clock. We have 15 minutes. I always start in the kitchen because that's where messes happen most. I grab my spray bottle and a cloth and give all the countertops a quick spray and wipe. The vinegar cuts through grease and grime beautifully. Next, I move on to the stove top and the front of my appliances. A quick spritz and a wipe down is all it takes to remove fingerprints and food splatters. That's the kitchen done in about 5 minutes. Now onto the living area. I use a dry reusable cloth for dusting. I quickly go over the coffee table, bookshelves and TV stand. Because I do this regularly, dust doesn't have a chance to build up. So it's a super fast job. If there are any sticky spots or marks on surfaces, I just give a little spray of my all-purpose cleaner and wipe it away. We're already 10 minutes in, and the main living spaces are looking fresh. For the final 5 minutes, I tackle the bathroom. I use the same spray for the sink, faucet and mirror. The vinegar solution is great for making chrome fixtures shine and getting rid of water spots. I give the toilet a quick wipe down with a separate dedicated cloth, of course. For the floors, I don't bother with a mop and bucket for this quick clean. I just use a slightly damp cloth on a sweeper or even just my hands to pick up any dust or hair, and that's it. Time's up. In just 15 minutes, the whole house feels fresher, cleaner and more inviting. By creating a simple system with eco-friendly products, cleaning becomes less of a chore and more of a quick, satisfying reset. You're not just cleaning your home. You're also being kinder to the planet and your own health by avoiding those harsh chemicals. So give this 15-minute routine a try. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in such a short amount of time. Let me know in the comments what your favorite natural cleaning hacks are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and sustainable living tips.